Hello, friends. In this video, I will share an important strategy for saving and building wealth. If you have a long-term goal and want to establish a solid financial foundation for retirement, you will come across the concept of compound return everywhere. While you can continue this concept indefinitely, in our example, we will limit it to 15 years. Imagine you have a 15-year investment plan built on consistent investments, patience, and discipline. We start by making a regular monthly savings of $150. However, the big secret here is that instead of keeping these savings in the bank, we invest them in the long-term stock market. Finding and researching a stock that we will not sell for 15 years is up to you, of course. Providing investment advice is beyond our expertise. To choose the right stock, you can watch our video on Warren Buffett's 7 powerful investment strategies. I have provided the link in the description. The monthly savings of $150 amount to $1,800 per year. Let's assume that the stocks we purchase provide an annual return of 40%. You may ask, can we expect 40% return every year? However, this is a general statement. If you have selected the stock based on the 7 powerful investment strategies, it may yield 10% in one year but 100% in the next. Therefore, 40% is an average figure. Let's put this into mathematical terms. Here are the calculations. At the end of the first year, $1,800 plus $1,800 asterisk 0.4 equals $2,520. At the end of the second year, $1,800 plus $2,520 equals $4,320 plus $4,320 asterisk 0.4 equals $6,048. At the end of the third year, $1,800 plus $6,048 equals $7,848 plus $7,848 asterisk 0.4 equals $10,987. At the end of the 13th year, $1,800 plus $350,844 equals $352,644 plus $352,644 asterisk 0.4 equals $493,701. At the end of the 14th year, $1,800 plus $493,701 equals $495,501 plus $495,501 asterisk 0.4 equals $693,701. At the end of the 15th year, $1,800 plus $693,701 equals $695,501 plus $695,501 asterisk 0.4 equals $973,701. All calculations are written in the description. As you can see, when we apply this strategy over 15 years, our total amount reaches $970,000. We patiently waited for our investment to grow exponentially. But is it time to withdraw money from this investment? No. Here, we introduce you to another concept, dividends. Dividends are the portion of a company's earnings distributed to its shareholders. This concept can either amplify your $970,000 investment to enormous proportions or allow you to experience the joy of financial freedom with the income from dividends while it continues to grow. We will discuss the concept of dividends in another video using 2 calculation methods. Stock market investments always carry risks. However, long-term goals keep you away from risks. Just make your investment and turn a blind eye to the stock market. If you have found the right stock, there is no need to keep track of it. Your allies are patience and discipline. Roll up your sleeves to live the life you desire in a shorter period. I hope this video has inspired you and helped you achieve your financial goals. I look forward to your questions and comments. See you in the next video. Take care.